I-check mo lahat ng transactions, makita agad ang status, at siguraduhing updated ang records mo. Documented bawat sale, refund, at payment. Kaya mas madali ang reconciliation, hassle-free. Makikita mo agad ang live totals sa analytics module. Kaya madali mong makita ang business trends. Pwede ka ring mag-export ng reports para sa accounting o business planning mo. Instant at hassle-free. Ngayon, ready ka na i-track at palaguhin ang business mo with Pocket Pace reports and analytics. Pero, paano kung nagkaroon ng unexpected problem? Don't worry! Ipapakita ng next module natin kung paano mag-troubleshoot step by step. Just click next and see for yourself kung gaano kadaling mag-solve ng problems.